My name's Adam and I'm from Shaikly Motor Company. We're a multi-award-winning garage based in Colchester. Our promise is simple. We carry out the right diagnosis, we fit the right parts, communicate in the right way, leading to the right results for all of our customers. Today, we've got this Volkswagen Golf in the workshop for a timing belt replacement. We're going to be using SNR timing belt kits from NTN. Talking about the do's and don'ts when fitting your timing belt, and also why it is not optional maintenance. Let's get cracking.
When it comes to engine performance, every component matters. That's why Shaikly Motor Company choose SNR timing belt kits. Each SNR timing kit offers true all-in-one convenience, including the timing belt, tensioner, idlers, water pump and gasket, all perfectly matched to work together. The best thing about these kits is there's no missing parts, there's no compromises and no unexpected future labour costs. As an OEM manufacturer, SNR tests every component, ensuring consistent original equipment matching quality across their entire range.
So we've got all the covers off, old timing belt is on here. We need to time it all up, take everything off and go from there.
Shaikly Motor Company top tips when fitting an SNR timing belt kit. Number 1, sealant on the water pump is not required when there is a gasket supplied.
So I'm just switching over the water pumps, and it's great to see that in the SNR kit it is an OE equivalent switchable water pump.
Protect your timing belt, keep it clean.
Are you catching it?
Make sure there's no spillage of oil or coolant on the belt when fitting. And number 3, always follow the manufacturer's torque settings. Make sure your idlers, your tensioners and all relevant bolts are torqued to the manufacturer's spec. Always look at the tensioner adjustment direction. This is indicated by the arrow on the front of the tensioner.
Tip with these tensioners, see the guide here when it goes on, if I can get it on, there we go. Always make sure it is seated in the gap at the back of the engine head. Right, timing belt is all finished and done. Let's run it up. Just a reminder, timing belts are not optional maintenance. If the belt tears, rips, or even stretches slightly, it can cause severe engine damage. That's not what you want for your customers or for your business. Just to finish the job off, put the little sticker on the vehicle just to say that it has been done at the correct interval. Always follow the manufacturer's recommended service intervals for these timing belts. Don't let it go overdue.
Links to the SNR timing belt range and the wider SNR product portfolio are in the description below.